facility at Lucknow. Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Sneha Dar denies allegations of links to the HNLC. Padma Shri awardee Professor David R. Seimle felicitated at Assam Don Bosco University. And Khasi Jaintia Presbyterian Synod Sepni hosts third inter-school sports meet in Maharashtra. Let's look at the news in detail. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has said that Operation Sindoor is not just a military action, but a symbol of India's political, social and strategic will. Virtually inaugurating the BrahMos Aerospace Integration and Testing Facility in Lucknow this afternoon, Mr. Singh said this operation is also a demonstration of India's strong will against terrorism and the capability and determination of the military power. He said the inauguration of BrahMos Integration and Testing Facility will help in further strengthening India's defence prowess. He said the inauguration of this facility is also important because today is National Technology Day.
साथियों, 11 मई को पोखरण से जो आत्मविश्वास प्रारंभ हुआ था, आज लखनऊ में वह और मजबूत हो रहा है। साथियों, अपनी बात समाप्त करने के पहले मैं कहना चाहता हूं, जिन भारत विरोधी और आतंकी संगठनों ने भारत माता के मस्तक पर हमला करके कई परिवारों के सिंदूर मिटाए थे, उन्हें भारतीय सेना ने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के माध्यम से इंसाफ दिलाने का काम किया है। और इसके लिए आज सारा देश भारतीय सेनाओं का अभिनंदन कर रहा है। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर सिर्फ एक सैन्य कार्रवाई भर नहीं है, बल्कि भारत की राजनैतिक, सामाजिक और सामरिक इच्छा शक्ति का प्रतीक है। यह ऑपरेशन आतंकवाद के खिलाफ भारत की दृढ़ इच्छा शक्ति का और सैन्य शक्ति की क्षमता और संकल्प शक्ति का भी प्रदर्शन है।
Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Sneha Dar has denied allegations linking him to the proscribed Neothrep National Liberation Council, calling them false, baseless and politically motivated. The allegations claim Dhar financially supported the militant outfit during his time in the Congress-led government. Dhar rejected the allegations, terming them politically motivated.
The allegation which you have seen in the news for the last 2 days, which has been stated by the HNSC, so which is very, very unfortunate to see, but which is false and baseless allegations. And it seems from the statement of some other political leaders also, the way how it moved, it seems this move is, politically motivated just to malign my image personally. And please remember, I have seen so many friends who try to follow up me personally, but the more they want to spread negativity on me personally, God will bless me and bless my party and the governments. I am here to serve my people, very, very sincere. We are here to protect the state, the peoples and the country as a whole. We are your leaders. Please trust us. All these things, baseless allegation, which is not true at all.
Padma Shri awardee Professor David R. Seimle, a renowned historian, was felicitated at Assam Don Bosco University. During his interaction with students, Professor Seimle emphasized the importance of understanding human experiences and complexities in history. Professor Seimle shared his research on Portuguese presence in northeast India and the retrieval of rare documents on Singh. The Vice-Chancellor, Father Dr. Jose Pelli, urged students to draw inspiration from Professor Seimle's work and contribute to society. The university organized an interactive session, plantation drive and cultural procession to celebrate Professor Seimle's achievement. Sankardev College concluded its college week with a grand finale on Saturday, featuring Ardan Basoyamite, President of the Voice of the People Party or the VPP, as the chief guest. The event included the screening of a short video titled Yes We Are, Watch and Tell, along with a special felicitation ceremony for alumni. The celebration provided a platform for students, faculty and alumni to engage in academic and cultural exchanges, marking a memorable conclusion to College Week festivities.
Efforts are being made by educational institutions, as has been displayed by the college, to provide vocational courses to students besides general studies. In order to address the rising rate of unemployment problem, which is why even this college has undertaken many initiatives to incorporate skill development courses.
A bomb scare in Shillong's 5 Brigade area on Saturday evening caused alarm among residents after an unclaimed bag was spotted. The incident, which occurred around 4 p.m, prompted swift action from law enforcement agencies. Authorities immediately cordoned off the area and deployed the bomb disposal squad to inspect the suspicious item. After a thorough examination, officials confirmed that the bag contained only clothing and posed no threat to public safety. District-level training was organized by the District Mission Coordinator SSA West Jaintia Hills at Lion Mission Compound Community Hall. The training aimed to enhance the efficiency of block resource persons and cluster resource persons of school managing committees. The topics covered were role of SMC under the RTE Act 2009 and NEP 2020, school disaster management plans, inclusive education for students with special needs, and Udesi enrollment process. The resource persons were JJ Sinrem, R. Lingdo, LK Singh, RL Bimi Suer, and junior engineer Dauhi Manor, who shared their expertise. A joint team comprising officials from the Executive Magistrate, Police Department and Directorate of Mineral Resources conducted a raid in East Jaintia Hills District. During the raid, approximately 6,000 metric tons of coal was seized for being dumped outside officially inventorized coordinates. The coal was seized on the spot and transported to a Coal India authorized depot for safe custody. An FIR has been registered under the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act, or the MDR, and further investigation is underway. The raid was conducted in compliance with directions from the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya and the DMR. The National People's Party, or the NPP, Nongpo block celebrated Mother's Day to honor women's contributions to their families and society. The event was held at the Parish Hall in Nongpo with Charles Marngar, MLA of Mauhati, as the chief guest. Around 100 women were honored for their contributions to social and community initiatives. Kong Rona Khumdait, the newly elected MDC of Nongpo constituency, was felicitated during the celebration. The event was attended by prominent party leaders, including Dr. Jasmine Lingdo, President of the NPP Women's Wing in Meghalaya.
Nado lagi, hado Shillong, hado Abala, hado agi imlang nasala, imlang kendaan kepurang. Kedai kedai pak kecing sisa pak kilok kini, ijongi, kilong sisa, mengiu ramba, ngilong urisha, pilong ketemu, kebatap, penyedang dan selap.
Meghalaya witnessed the official launch of its first exclusive quiz-based gaming platform, Quizzy Doia, at the Shillong Press Club on Friday. CEO Batskhemlang Kharsantiu introduced a platform as a quiz-centric initiative designed for both youngsters and adults, aiming to make learning fun, competitive and rewarding. Quizzy DOIA hosts live online quiz contests thrice a week with real-time results and instant cash prizes for winners. Participants must be Indian residents aged 18 and above, and registration is open from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. on contest days.
We made that this contest will support the tutorial of the student. So we need some events that it will support. So that additional features will be happening by next 6 months. Now we are giving free tutorial to the student. They can access anywhere.
The Kasi Jaintia Presbyterian, or the KGP Synod Sepni, organized the third inter-school sports meet at the Khatsao Pra College Playground in Mairang Zone, aiming to promote physical development among school children alongside academic excellence. The event featured various athletic competitions with participation from 13 schools across Mairang region. Medba Lingdo, chairman of the MEGHALAYA State Planning Board and local MLA, attended the occasion alongside other dignitaries, church members, teachers and enthusiastic students. In his address, Lingdo praised KGP Synod Sepni's mission schools for their contribution to education and highlighted the importance of sports in fostering unity and holistic development.
Mission school aga state ke tongi ngam te kai ga banjia bagabanlong ya ga pui buti ga bagi kun samla lele ke bamni baro ina yo ya ga daga benta adu ga ko bom le sim ne ga benta don pabalang kabadan ni ti aga insang salah.
In recent years, Shillong has earned a reputation as a vibrant cultural hub, celebrated for its deep musical roots and artistic expressions. Recently, Gia Singh, a 22-year-old young and talented drummer from Shillong, performed in front of the Prime Minister of India in Mumbai. Music runs deep in her veins and her journey began at just 6 years old. Here's a report.
Mother's encouragement, Gia's passion for drumming only grew stronger. She dedicated herself to practice, honing her skills and exploring other instruments. Her hard work paid off, earning her recognition in numerous competitions, including the prestigious Symphony of India event. Recently, Gia represented Shillong at the Audiovisual and Entertainment Summit Waves 2025 in Mumbai, showcasing her talent to a global audience.
साथियों, कुछ ही दिन बाद मुंबई में वर्ल्ड ऑडियो विजुअल एंड एंटरटेनमेंट समिट यानी वेव्स 2025 का आयोजन होने जा रहा है। इस आयोजन के केंद्र में भी देश के युवा है।
So I went for Symphony of India. It's in the day national, it's coming every day. So I was a runner-up over in there and I came for Bollywood ka ticket and I was in Battle of Band, top 8 from 200 bands. My band was in top 8, top 8. So now I went for the Wave also. In Wave, lots of celebrity was there. Even the PM Modi was there. We performed in front of PM Modi. So we got a trophy, we got a like so many things, and I went there for representing Shillong.
With her band G-Sharp, Gia dreams of performing on larger national platforms like India Got Talent. We wish Gia all the best and hope she continues to bring pride to Shillong through her music. Bureau Report, Daily News, Meghalaya.
And now for the weather. First, let's look at the report in Tura, where the minimum temperature was recorded at 24 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature at 34 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity was 92%. In Shillong, the minimum temperature was 19 degrees Celsius with the maximum at 25.1 degrees Celsius and relative humidity of 90%. Rainfall was measured at 36.5 millimeters. Meanwhile, in July, the minimum temperature was 20 degrees Celsius with the maximum at 23 degrees Celsius and relative humidity of 77%. The forecast in Tura shows partly cloudy skies, while in Shillong and Juwai, light to moderate rain is likely to occur at a few places. And for our viewers who missed out, here's a quick recap of today's top stories. On National Technology Day, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurates BrahMos Aerospace Testing Facility in Lucknow. Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Sneau Bhalanghar denies allegations of links to the HNLC. Padma Shri awardee Professor David R. Siemle was felicitated at the Assam Don Bosco University. And Khasi Jaintia Presbyterian Synod Sepni hosts third inter-school sports meet in Mairam. And with that, we conclude today's news edition. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening.